Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Keyboard Panyat ka District Association jong Kamighalya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Giant Hills kumbajulong man usnam hakasantarik no pra kilapanong yaga 9 winter annual camp and youth leadership training ha David and Louis Rees Memorial Secondary School Tongkya Loksi. Kani ka program kalong Bynta banyu alat ki khana Scouts and Guides bani kandu alang shisian shisnam badru ban panjanai ka jingtip jing shimpang jongki lingba ki rukom hikai ba pheraper kanthop na du ka rukom te talai ka jingshnai ka jaka botia da ki diang ki sit bad kiwe ki belong khatkum ka rukom dustur jong ka Scouts and Guides movement. Kani ka program kan kut ka khandai trik no pra dak bagi khana school na ki unit pheraper jong ka school kilawan ban Bynta ringkat ka jing sananlang ki Scouts Master but ki Guide Captain. Ya kajingalang la penyat carefully gasa DOC SMBS and G West Giant Hills District. Balayo kajingkran nagadoli lamare Guide Captain Juwai Open Unit kumju na upet dahar JT District Secretary MBS and G West Giant Hills District. Katba Adiam Ubutho District Secretary MBS and G West Giant Hills District. Habakut kajingalang ulai ki kintian kublay. Ya kani ka 9 winter annual camp and youth leadership training lawan ban play da kong Samarai Taryang Vice President MBS and G Hagjidon lang uba Richard B Yuria Principal North Liberty High Secondary School Juwai kumusmut kongsan nalor ki khna school bat no hikai ka David and Louis Rees Memorial Secondary School Tongkya Yoksi. Hagjingalang la pen kuburam kerpang yaki Raja Pur Sakar Scouts Guides jung usnam ajar pusan Kibladab Shapun Kuburam Haulat Gajala, Haunai Wing Haraj Pawan Shillong.
Remind us about this beautiful ideas of the Scout and Guides movement, about the way how we are going to we are holding this winter camp as a place to teach you as a youth, to make you the real citizens of the country. And in these 4 days, you will learn so many things. You will see. I know tonight you'll feel homesick for a moment, but please join your friends. Those old guiders and scouts, please make them happy and lead them how you always enjoy with your winter camp. Teach them, show them how they must be together, join hands with the other Scout and Guides. A home that will make you feel like one family. Scout Guides are a family, the family that we should love each other, should take care of each other, should really mind concern of each other. Not think that this is the school, I don't know them. That is the school, the children from other school, I don't know them. But now you are not from any other schools, but you are the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides.
Which they do every day. You are here challenging the cold of nature. Tonight you will feel the cold. And after feeling the cold, I'm very sure that you will start to enjoy the life in the wilderness. I'm reminded of a camp that I attended in the Smoky Mountains. I don't know whether any one of you here have heard of the Smoky Mountains. What's the scout motto? To be prepared, right? I was prepared. Inside the toilet, I could lock myself in. Even though the bear came, I could even share the toilet with someone else. Being prepared, it means being ready, both mind and body. Being ready, both mind and body, for any challenge that might come in your life. So you must always be ready for any challenge that might come your way in your life. From practical emergencies, I believe you'll be taught about some emergency skills, to personal struggles. This age has a lot of personal struggles that the youth are encountering.
This winter camp is, as you have seen in the routine, is designed to help you grow physically, mentally, spiritually, socially, and emotionally. So, this is just as we have learned in our motto that be prepared. What we are to prepare? Prepare to face the challenges, prepare to serve others, and prepare to become responsible citizens of our community.
As we gather, let's remember the core values that binds us: duty to God and country, and helping others. The Scouts and Guide movement isn't just about badges and camps. It's a unique platform where we learn invaluable life lessons through experience, lessons of friendship, hard work, resilience, and humanity, guided by the Scout law and promise. We are here to learn, to grow, and to inspire each other to be the best version of ourselves. Let us look forward to the event to be filled with discoveries, shared laughters, and strengthened bonds.